If you're still pushing a vacuum around your living room in 2026, you're doing it the hard way. These 15 robots will do it for you, and most of them cost less than your phone bill for a year. Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're breaking down the 15 best robot vacuums on Amazon right now, from budget picks under $150 to flagship machines with self-washing mop pads and AI navigation. We'll go category by category. Best overall, best budget, best for pet hair, best for mapping, best self-emptying, and more. Links to every product are in the description below. Quick disclosure. Some of the links below are affiliate links. At no extra cost to you, we may earn a small commission if you decide to buy. It helps support the channel and lets us keep testing this stuff for you. Before we jump in, a quick rundown of what actually matters when shopping for a robot vacuum. First, suction power, measured in pascals or PA. Anything from 2,000 to 5,000 PA is fine for hard floors and light carpet. If you've got thick carpet or pets, look for 8,000 PA and up. Flagship models now push past 30,000 PA. Second, navigation. Bump and go sensors are the cheapest and least efficient. Camera-based navigation is a step up and works well in good lighting. LiDAR is the gold standard. It maps your home with lasers, cleans in neat rows, and avoids obstacles more reliably. Third, battery life. Look for at least 120 to 150 minutes on a single charge if you have a larger home, since that determines how much it can clean before needing to recharge. Fourth, app and voice control. Almost everything works with an app now, but check for no-go zones, scheduling, and Alexa or Google Assistant support if that matters to you. And finally, self-emptying bases. These let the robot dump its bin, and on higher-end models, wash and dry its own mop pads, so you're not touching it for weeks at a time. With that out of the way, let's get into the list. Number 1. Best overall, Roborock Ceros 10R. This is the vacuum independent testers keep ranking at the top for 2026, and for good reason. Multiple solid-state LiDAR sensors for obstacle recognition without a bulky profile. Strong suction on both carpet and hardwood. Full self-emptying mop-washing dock. Best for people who want the most well-rounded performer and don't mind paying a premium. Pro. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are genuinely some of the best on the market. It rarely gets stuck. Con. It's expensive, and the dock takes up real floor space. Number 2. Best budget, iLife V3S Pro. If you just want something that picks up dirt and pet hair without breaking the bank, this is it. 10-point infrared sensor navigation, no cameras or LiDAR. Around 100 minutes of battery life. Scheduling and remote control via app. Best for first-time robot vacuum buyers, renters, or anyone on a tight budget. Pro. For the price, its pet hair pickup on both hardwood and carpet is shockingly good. Con. No mapping means it can take inefficient cleaning paths in larger rooms, and there's no voice control. Number 3. Best Premium Splurge, Dreamy X60 Max Ultra Complete. This is the money's no object pick. The spec sheet alone explains why. 35,000 PA suction with retractable LiDAR tower that drops the chassis to clear furniture. Self-washes mop pads with 212-degree Fahrenheit hot water and fully refills itself. Recognizes 280-plus obstacle types. Best for large homes with mixed flooring and pet owners who want zero hands-on maintenance. Pro, cleaning consistency across carpet, hardwood, and edges is excellent. Con, the dock is huge. Measure your space before buying because it's wider than most laundry nooks. Number 4. Best for pet hair, Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. If shedding is a daily battle in your house, this one's built for it. Dual function vacuum and mop with strong carpet pickup, AI-based obstacle avoidance that recognizes pet messes and toys, self-emptying, self-washing dock. Best for multi-pet households with mixed flooring. Pro, consistently rated as one of the top performers specifically for pet hair pickup on carpet. Con, setup and app navigation can feel a little complex at first. Number 5. Best for mapping and smart home, Dreamy L50 Ultra.
This one's a fan favorite for a reason. It held the top overall spot for months before newer flagships passed it. Pro Leap system with retractable legs that climb obstacles up to 2.36 inches. 31,000 PA suction with real-time mop belt washing. Matter protocol support for broad smart home compatibility. Best for tech-savvy users who want detailed multi-floor mapping and smart home integration. Pro scored higher than even pricier flagships in carpet deep cleaning tests. Con, at full price, it's still a significant investment, though it frequently goes on sale. Number 6. Best Self-Emptying. iRobot Roomba Max 705. Roomba's flagship leans hard into the set-it-and-forget-it experience. LiDAR navigation with obstacle and anti-fall detection. Self-emptying base rated for up to 75 days of hands-free use. Claims to pick up debris as small as 0.7 microns. Best for people who hate maintenance and want a trusted brand name. Pro, owners consistently praise how quiet it runs and how seamless the navigation feels. Con, at around $899, it's priced at the high end for what is, spec-wise, a step below the newest Chinese flagships.
Number 7. Best mid-range value, Eufy C28 Omni. Sitting in the $300 to $600 sweet spot, this one punches above its price. 15,000 Pascal suction with a continuous clean roller mop that sprays fresh water. Handles long pet hair without tangling. Self-cleaning dock that separates dirty water. Best for pet owners who want flagship-style mopping without flagship prices. Pro, mopping performance ranked among the best in its price tier, with minimal water left behind. Con, suction is solid but not class-leading compared to true flagships.
Number 8. Best for hard floors, Mova S10. A genuinely strong, budget-friendly option if your home is mostly hardwood or tile. Top-mounted LiDAR for efficient row-by-row cleaning. 7,000 Pascal suction. Mops automatically lift 7 millimeters on carpet to avoid soaking it. Best for apartments and homes with mostly hard flooring and light carpet areas. Pro scored an unusually high carpet deep clean rating for its price point. Con, not the strongest choice if your home is heavily carpeted throughout.
Number 9. Best for small apartments, Wise Robot Vacuum. Compact, affordable, and surprisingly capable for tight spaces. 2100 Pascal suction with 7 sensor mapping. Customizable no-go zones and virtual walls. Can pause and return to charge mid-clean. Best for studio apartments, small condos, or single-floor homes. Pro, maps quickly and gives you solid control over where it does and doesn't go. Con, suction is on the lower end, so it's better for everyday upkeep than deep cleans. Number 10. Best entry-level smart vacuum, iRobot Roomba i4 Evo. A reliable, no-frills entry point into the Roomba ecosystem. 3-stage cleaning system for dust, dirt, and pet hair. Wi-Fi connected with app scheduling. Compact design for under-furniture cleaning. Best for first-time smart home users who want a trusted brand without paying flagship prices. Pro, reliable basic cleaning performance backed by a well-known name and good customer support. Con, doesn't include advanced mapping or a self-emptying base at this price.
Number 11. Best vacuum mop combo under $300, TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. A compact all-arounder that handles basic messes with ease. Auto empty dock included even at this price. Mopping function for light daily cleanup. Well-designed app that also covers other Tapo smart home devices. Best for daily upkeep in apartments or smaller homes, especially for cereal, litter, and crumbs. Pro, excellent cleaning scores on both hardwood and carpet for the price. Con, struggles with heavy pet hair on carpet, and the mop needs manual cleaning.
Number 12. Best for multi-level homes, Roborock Q-Revo Curve 2 Flow. A strong pick if you're managing multiple floors and want minimal manual intervention. Dual sensor navigation, combining LiDAR with camera intelligence. Self-maintaining mopping system. Saves and switches between multiple floor maps. Best for multi-story houses with busy households. Pro, handles complex layouts and floor transitions smoothly without losing its place. Con? Premium pricing puts it closer to flagship territory than mid-range.
Number 13. Best AI navigation. Ecovacs Dbot X11 Omni Cyclone 1. One of the higher scorers in independent 2026 testing, especially for obstacle handling. Advanced obstacle detection tuned for cluttered homes. Strong all-around cleaning performance on carpet and hardwood. Full auto-empty and self-cleaning dock. Best for homes with kids' toys, cables, and other everyday clutter on the floor. Pro, one of the more consistent performers across different test categories, not just one strength. Con, sits at a premium price point, close to top-tier flagships.
Number 14. Best for tight spaces under furniture. Mova Mobius 60. A flagship-level competitor that scored close behind the very top picks in 2026 testing. Slim profile designed to slide under low furniture. Competitive suction and mapping for its price bracket. Strong carpet performance relative to its category. Best for homes with low clearance furniture like beds and sofas. Pro, scored very close to the top overall pick while typically costing less. Con, a few navigation quirks reported compared to the very top-ranked models.
Number 15. Best Value Flagship, Yeti S20 Infinity. Rounding out the list with a flagship adjacent option that's slightly more attainable. Competes closely with 900+ models at a lower price. Solid carpet and hardwood cleaning scores, full smart home and app integration. Best for buyers who want near flagship performance without paying flagship prices. Pro, offers features and performance close to Vaccums costing $50 to $100 more. Con, brand recognition and long-term support history are less established than Roborock, Eufy, or iRobot.
That's our full breakdown of the 15 best robot vacuums on Amazon for 2026. All the links are in the description below. And again, those are affiliate links, so using them costs you nothing extra, but helps support more videos like this. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more honest tech buying guides, and let us know in the comments which one you're considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.